Hey everybody, this is Ryan Van also known as the Barbell Doc, and today we're going to be talking about functional training and what that actually means. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure that you subscribe and turn on notifications below if you want to learn more about how to deal with injuries, get out of pain, or just improve your performance in the gym. Functional training is a term that gets thrown around a lot in the rehab and fitness or strength and conditioning worlds. When most people think about functional training, they think of exercises that are compound in nature, move through multiple planes of motions, use kettlebells, bands, and other balance devices and things like this. Now, these exercises look very complicated, and people will often say that those exercises are functional because they train the body in the way that it was designed to work. Now, this is all good and well, but it's kind of reductionist in terms of how the human body actually does work. Yes, the human body is designed to work in many complex motions, doing multiple movements at once, moving multiple planes of motion, and all that sort of stuff, but the body is also designed to work in other simpler ways. So just as the body is designed to lunge, squat, deadlift, jump, throw, things of that nature, the body is also designed to lift an object from a table up to your mouth. It's designed to curl your wrist up. It's designed to just extend your leg. The human body is designed to do many different activities. Some are very simple and some are very complex. So just taking a very complicated exercise and saying that that's the way the body is designed to move because it uses multiple muscles, multiple planes of motion, all that sort of stuff, is not really necessarily true. So what actually is functional training? Now, functional is defined as of or having a special purpose, activity, or task. So functional in terms of training really means that it is helping you achieve a certain goal or task that you have in mind. Now, these goals or tasks are very, very specific and individual to you. So if your goal is to increase the size of your biceps, a biceps curl is a functional exercise. If you are somebody who is post-op ACL reconstruction and you want to make sure that you develop the quad strength and size to support your knee and your newly reconstructed ACL, then leg extensions are a functional exercise or a form of functional training. If you are a power lifter, the squat, bench, and deadlift and all of their accessories are all functional exercises because they are helping you to achieve the goal of improving your performance in your sport. So functional exercise is sort of a misnomer because it's a much more vague description than most people make it out to be. Functional training or functional exercise does not have to be compound, multiplanar, use balance or stability tools or anything like that. It certainly can if those sorts of activities help you achieve your goals, but other forms of exercise can be functional as well. Now, when it comes down to it, really, most people should be less worried with making sure that their exercise is functional and just exercising more. So that's a little breakdown of what functional training really is and what it isn't. I hope you guys like the information, and I'll see you next time.